I'm going to be showing you the Nanjing Bluesky's filter company's filter. Now these are made compatible with Dyson, so I'm going to show you how to open that real quick, a bit closer. A quick introduction about the company. They have all your certifications that you need, your ISO 9001, etc. Just check them out on their page. But as you can see, really easy to replace filters. As you can see, these are up to spec. So you can get the OEM and ODM designs. You can also get them at the factory price. Superior performance, as you guys saw, and perfect compatibility. Let me show you real quick. What I need to do is that, and just spin it back in. Yep. Boom. New filter replaced, compatible with your Dysons, and that's a wrap. Really easy to use.